everyone, today we are going to talk about the difference of a vowel sound between American English and British English pronunciation. The sound of the letter A is different in some words where the British pronounce in R and the American pronounce in A.
For example, think about the word fast. This word has an A vowel sound. In American English, this is a diphthong. In British English, the A sound is not a diphthong. It is a single sound. To pronounce this sound with a British accent, again, you need to use more attention. This is because you have to hold the sound until you pronounce the following consonant. You cannot relax into the consonant like you can in American English. Some vowel sounds are just different in that words are pronounced with different vowel sounds. In British and American English, this is particularly common with the vowel A, like the A in cat, and A, like the A in father. Sometimes words which have one sound in British English will have the other sound in American English.
Let's listen to the R sound.
On behalf of everybody here today. So on behalf of everybody here today.
This is British pronunciation. This sound is like R. It's a vowel sound and its technical name is the open back unrounded vowel. In this case, your tongue is low and at the back of your mouth. Unrounded refers to your lips because they are relaxed and not rounded. All vowels are made through the mouth and our voices, so you vibrate your vocal cords to make the sound. This is similar to the A sound, but it is longer. But the two little dots mean that it is a longer sound, R, not A. The R sound remind me of the dentist because when you go to the dentist, they tell you to open your mouth and say R.
Let's listen to the A sound.
To speak on behalf of the American people and to address their concerns, their hopes. To speak on behalf of the American people and to address their concerns, their hopes.
This is American pronunciation. Its technical name is the near open front unrounded vowel. In this case, your tongue is low and at the front of your mouth. It is similar to the R sound, but shorter, A, not R. To produce the sound, put your tongue low and at the front of your mouth and stretch out your lips. Then make a short voiced sound with your mouth open. Let's listen to the other example. This is sound R of British pronunciation. The example is from Harry Potter movie.
Well, you can't expect him to run around all day, can you? Well, you can't expect him to run around all day, can you?
This is example of A sound of American pronunciation.
Can't, C-A-N apostrophe T, very short and abrupt. Can't, C-A-N apostrophe T.
Let's try to compare this sound R and A from British and American accents.
Banana, banana. Banana, banana. Banana. That's how you pronounce it in America. It's banana. In America, it's banana.
We hope this clip will be useful for everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.